Reneus is sleeping. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Please tell him to shut up. But he won't, it's not my fault. He's so annoying. Just go to sleep.